This is the Qube 500 by Coolermaster. What is up, guys? It is Chris back at it again. I am building the Qube 500 PC case by Coolermaster. I don't know why I always want to say cool. I have so many fans by Corsair, that's why. Anyway, this was a really cool build. Surprised me how easy it was. It was really simple to follow the instructions. After you get like one or two sides done, it's like it all comes together. It's like makes sense in your head. Now, this is the first time that I've ever built a PC case. Now, this is for all of you people that are enthusiasts about building things or building configurations in mind. Maybe you want a test bench. Maybe you want to have the power supply be in a different area, a different spot, have different frag configurations, have more storage area. And this thing is really small. It's really like compact compared to other big like ATX PC cases. Now, this is a general tutorial build, and this is like I'm going step by step, technically trying to do my best to show you guys how to build this PC case. There are tons of videos out there on how to do this, but this is just my general build and how I did it. Here are all my specs currently in this build. I have a Gigabyte Aorus X570. In that motherboard is an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 3D with 64 gigabytes of RAM, G.Skill Trident Z Royal, 3200 megahertz. And I also have a 1 terabyte Samsung 980 and also a 500 gigabyte Crucial M.2 SSDs. Now, all of these things, these components did come out of my previous gaming PC, and I did upgrade that PC. And if you guys want to go check out that video, go ahead and check this link up here. Now it is going to be my streaming PC. So, got me some coffee. Cheers, guys. I got me some Starbucks again. It's always essential when I'm doing a video to have a drink, so I'm usually going with coffee. Let me know if you guys are coffee lovers out there. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoy coffee, or what coffee you enjoy, I guess you could say. I'm going to be unboxing this. I kind of already opened this a little bit earlier because I wanted to get some, open it and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it really quick and take out all the stuff and then build it as I go. And I'm just going to leave you guys up there on the tripod so we can get this sorted out. I believe this is the power supply bracket, and then this is the main bracket. I think this is the front, if I'm not mistaken. Or the back, if I should say, like the bottom where the ATX goes, where the motherboard goes. Instructions, some foam. They packed this thing freaking. Put some thought into this for sure. There's instructions I'm gonna be using. This is the front panel. Rear panel with the fan. Might be leaving the fan there, and I'm not too sure. I might actually put another Corsair fan. I don't know. We'll see. This is the top panel, I believe. Front panel. That this is the bottom or the back side. The bottom of the back side. And then this is the what do you call it? The I guess this is the radiator bracket or the mounting bracket for side radiator if you wanted. And then there's the feet over here. Feet over here fell out. And then the glass panel for the front. That's it for the boxing, I believe. Anything else? Yeah. So I do have a brand new Corsair HX 850 power 850 watt power supply for this build. So I'm taking this guy out as well. Hopefully it's not too big for that beast or that small cube. I don't think it will be. All new connections. Gonna be putting on the bracket for the power supplies. Now I'm going to be putting the motherboard on. So as you can tell, I already had put this together before. This was in my previous build. I also am going to put a couple, I have another spinning disk and another SSD, a SATA SSD that I'm going to be using as well. Be putting in the motherboard, and I'm using this radiator as well. Corsair H100 240mm. And add the power supply now. So I'm using it to be on the highest setting. Here, there's also another low setting. There's three settings that you can put the power supply, but I'm gonna put it as high as I can. And then there's a screw that you screw in over here on this side with the power supply. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Now it's time for the rear panel. So I'm assuming it goes this way. Just gotta lift it up. That just locks in. Yeah, there's 4 screws, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now comes the time to install the GPU. So what I have here is a EVGA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. What I mainly got it for was so that I can just stream from it. This is just my streaming PC again. I can just stream and record from it. It's nothing crazy. It should be able to do 1080p, 60 frames, do capture card as well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping this works. I'm hoping it goes good, and I'm gonna install it now. Now it's time for the front panel. Alright, so you kind of gotta take off that front part in order to get to this. So you can screw down these screws. It's like a front of the front, I guess you could say. So I also have this AverMedia 4K capture card that I'm going to be installing as well. So this is the bottom panel. I'm actually going to be seeing if I can put 2 140mm on here for the rear, for the bottom, so that I don't know if it's going to interfere with the front panels though. I'm a little scared of that. Like the front panel USBs right here, the ports. But it shouldn't matter. I should be able to like swing them this way and not really worry about it. So I'm going to put 2 140s here. It should be right here. And then that should be it. So let me do that really quick. Alright, so as you can see, I put 2 140mm there, fans, they're Corsair fans, just to give it some more cooling, because these AMD boards, they like to run a little bit hotter. And then I just want to give some more fan support for the power supply and the radiator as well, and you know, just get some more air flowing through there. That's all she wrote. This has got to screw these 2 little things right here. So I guess like technically there's not a top and a bottom panel. They're both the same. They're both the same size, both the same thing. I was getting confused there for a second, because I thought they were different. It's kind of weird also how it like slides in, because like you would think like the other side I would have to like screw it down, but it's apparently you don't do that. So I ran into my first problem. So this power supply has got to move down a little bit. So I've got to take off, I'm assuming the bottom, and then move this and then move this down. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is move this down. Let's see. Let's test it out. I'm gonna move it down one more. It's cutting it close on these power connectors. Yeah, we'll just do two. We'll just do the two. Should be good. I just need to move the radiator just a tad over. That's pretty much all it needs to do. It's pretty simple once you get like used to like how it works. So I had to do some finagling. I had to like stand it up in order to get this front panel USB, or the front panel power and the front panel USB, just to make sure that the fans are down there, that the fans would fit with this stuff. So I need to like plug them in first, then put on the bottom panel, and then so like I can just like squeeze them in basically. Okay, let me just show you guys what I did. So I basically mounted this first, the radiator fan, and then radiator with the fans, and then I fed back the front panel wires for like the HD audio, the USB 3.2, and then the front panel for the power and stuff, and then the USB-C. So I fed it through, and then I put it there first before I put the bottom panel on, because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to put these on as I go. It should work. It should. I'm pretty sure everything's gonna work like that. So, moment of truth. Nope. I could probably fit one on the bottom. I might be able to do it with 140 or 120. I feel like it would be better. But these right here, this right here hits the fan. Unfortunately, I don't have a 3.0, a USB 3.0 anywhere else. That's the only one that I have, pretty sure. Maybe if I just move this fan over and just get a little bit more airflow and just take this one out. I think that's the play. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I took off the second fan. I'm just gonna, yeah, see it fits. It's gonna fit. Perfect. I want an extra fan, just, you know, just to have some more airflow pushing up and over. And then this is exit, exit. This is sucking in, you know, so just have some more airflow. I feel like it's gonna be crucial for this thing, because apparently I guess this thing doesn't really do too well with airflow. So okay, so I'm actually gonna put another 120 here. It's gonna be a weird kind of thing, but it's like one front panel. I think it's gonna look sick. It's gonna look cool. Putting on the front panel like guards, I guess, or with the filters, I guess you could say. And then I'm gonna put the bottom one and then the feet. Okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put on the power supply stuff. So just need the 24 pin CPU, the 6 pin for the GPU, another SATA for the fan controller in the back.
What we do here is go back.
any point, if you did like this video and if you made it to the end, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that like button. I really enjoy making these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos as I'm pushing them out as much as I can. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to do more tech videos, more gaming videos, tech reviews, all those things. I'm going to be doing a gaming setup tour, I guess you could say, of my whole rig that I have going on here. Check out this Qube 500. It's legit. If you're thinking about buying it, I would get it. Yeah, we'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.